natin kung ano pwede nating may share sa inyo tungkol sa downtown ng Calgary. Yan. Si Mrs. Yan. Good morning.
Good morning.
And the kids at the back. Yan. Kasi matagal na rin kaming di nakapunta ng downtown. So let's see kung ano pwede
How
namin.
many years?
Matagal na. Years na. So let's see kung ano pwede naming i-share sa inyo.
Join us in our
Journey. Exploring downtown Calgary. Okay, see you later. Okay, so yan, malapit na tayo sa downtown Calgary. Yan, ito siya. So, yan. So, ito na yung downtown Calgary. So, maybe 5 minutes from here sa lugar na pwesto namin. Yan.
In 1 kilometer, keep left.
Tapos ito yung C-Train Station. Yan, kami namamasyala dito sa downtown. Magandang araw. Okay, ito ang downtown. So yan si Pepot, nagbabayad na ng parking. Nandito pa lang kami sa gilid. Wala pa kami sa mismong Center Street. Yan. Yeah, we will try to eat dito sa seafood restaurant. Dito sa Chinatown at downtown Calgary. While waiting our seats, si Manang Pepot and the kids. Okay, the kids are waiting. At Alisteria, Pepot. Ito yung kanilang menu. So yan yung order namin na squid and tentacles. Tapos meron siya yung chicken, yung masarap na. Ano tawag dyan, Manang? Chicken, steamed chicken.
Steamed chicken.
Yeah. Okay, they can.
May fried rice.
You need to wait for the price. Okay, try natin ito kanilang squid tentacles. Ito siya. Sarap siya. Oh.
Anong
So, try natin yung
steamed chicken?
steamed chicken. Try natin na wala mo ng dipping sauce. Malamig pala siya.
Ay, may steam? Sarap talaga.
Okay.
Kids, what do you think of your food? What's the
What do you think of your Saturday night? Try natin itong dumplings nila na mayroong soup sa loob. Sarap to. So, proper way daw nito is bubutasan muna. Ano, butas na pala. Ah. Sarap. That's good.
Lalo pag nilagay mo ng sauce. May soup sa loob.
Yan, dumplings. Mainit ha. Careful. Yan, tumutuloy siya. Sieve it. Sarap.
Authentic na Chinese.
Kasi nasa Chinatown tayo.
Dahil nasa Chinatown kami ngayon. Ang restaurant natin is din sa Chinatown. Now, there's a soup inside. There's a lot.
Masarap yan. It's tasty.
So,
Try it.
Yeah. It's good, right?
yeah, that's good, right?
Same one. Oh. Oh, okay. But, I mean,
Oh, I like this. I like chicken wings and chicken feet, ano? Yan. Advance celebration daw ng Father's Day. At least enjoy si Manang, oh. Na-miss niya ang Chinese food. Tsaka itong steamed chicken ito, sarap din. Siyempre, ang paborito ng bayan, pancit. Kahit sa nakambal, paborito din ang pancit. Yung tripe, yan, sarap ang lambot, no?
and this one. And it's so good. Itong fries is so good.
Halata sa mukha mong good, eh. Happy yung mukha, eh.
It's good kasi maanghang siya na may malambot. Yan ang i-achieve mo pagluluto ng
May malambot na ganyan.
chicken feet.
Happy kids? Try natin itong noodles, eh. Siyempre, paborito ng bayan. Happy.
Chowpan.
Sarap.
Sharap. How about the fried rice?
Sarap talaga na, ano? Chinese food paminsan-minsan. Okay. Pero sarap na, ano? Yung pancit.
Nung
This
pancit.
time I can look at it.
Authentic talaga. Chinese restaurant.
Happy Father's Day. Wish you a wonderful, happy year filled with love and happiness.
So you like the foods?
Yep.
For Advanced Father's Day celebration? What about you, sir?
Oh, happy Father's Day. I hope the near future or in the far future will continue to still have a healthy and happy life.
Oh, you're drinking tea.
That's the goal.
What about you? My oldest kid.
Happy Father's Day. And this is the advance but Happy Father's celebration. So I love you, I love you, I love you. And to all the fathers, Happy Father's Day advance. And don't
Ayan, tapos na kaming kumain. So, thank you for watching. Yan ang Advanced Father's Day celebration daw. Kasi may pasok na si Mrs. Next weekend. So, ngayon na kami lumabas. Ayan. Thank you for watching.
thank you. Thank you so much.